Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome back. In the previous videos, we established a clear direction. AI is not replacing humans, it is amplifying them. And we saw how humans work with predictive and generative AI. Now we take the next step because the real shift is not in tools, it is in roles. For decades, software engineering revolved around one core activity, writing code. You worked with C++, Java, Python. You built systems line by line. Your value was measured by how much you could build. But today that foundation is shifting. AI can now generate code. It can write functions, build modules, suggest entire structures. So the question is no longer can you write code? The question is can you design systems? This evolution happens in three stages. Coders, debuggers, architects. Let us begin with coders. This is where most engineers started. You take requirements, you translate them into logic, you build applications. And here is the most important thing. You do not lose these skills. If you know C++, Java, Python, you will continue to use them. But now with AI as an extension, now we move to the second stage. Debuggers. Because when AI generates code, someone must take responsibility for that code. Someone must test it, validate it, secure it, optimize it. If earlier you were writing code, now you are reviewing code. If earlier you were implementing logic, now you are validating intelligence. And this is the key shift. You are no longer just a coder. You are the controller of the code generator. AI can produce code, but it does not understand your business logic, your system constraints, your security risks. That responsibility remains with you. So your role becomes higher. You ensure that the system behaves correctly, the code is safe, the integrations are stable, the risks are controlled. And now we arrive at the third stage, architects. This is where the real transformation happens. Because in an AI-first world, the most valuable skill is not coding. It is system thinking, deciding what problem to solve, how to break it into components, which models to use, which tools to integrate, how data flows, how decisions are made, how systems scale, how systems remain secure. And here is something very important. As an architect, you are not replaced by AI. You are supported by AI. AI helps you explore architectures, generate components, accelerate design, simulate possibilities, but it does not own the system. You do. Now let us talk about something real. Because today many professionals are concerned, layoffs are happening, roles are changing, uncertainty is increasing. If you are a developer, a cloud engineer, an Azure certified professional, a DevOps engineer, a FinOps specialist, a domain expert in banking, healthcare, or enterprise systems, you might be asking, where do I fit in this new world? Here is the answer. You are not becoming irrelevant. You are becoming more important. But your role is evolving. If you are a cloud professional, you move from managing infrastructure to designing intelligent cloud systems. If you are a DevOps engineer, you move from deployment pipelines to orchestrating AI-driven systems. If you are a FinOps specialist, you move from cost tracking to optimizing AI-driven cost performance decisions. If you are a domain expert, you become even more critical because AI does not understand your domain deeply. You do. And that is the difference. AI brings intelligence. You bring meaning. Let me say this clearly. AI reduces effort, but it increases responsibility. Earlier, you were responsible for code. Now, you are responsible for systems. Earlier, you executed tasks. Now, you design outcomes. Earlier, you followed instructions. Now, you define direction. This is not a reduction in skill. This is an elevation of skill. And this is the opportunity. Because the future will not belong to the best coders. It will belong to the best system designers. Remember this, in the past, engineers were measured by code. In the future, they will be measured by systems. We will see you in the next video. Video 4, From Automation to Intelligence, RPA and AI, and Human Roles, where we explore how traditional automation evolves into intelligent systems and how human roles move from defining rules to guiding outcomes. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. See you in the next video. Good luck and goodbye.